Hi children, how are you all? Hope all are doing well. So last class we have completed exercise 2 textbook page number 28. Today we are going to do exercise 3 page number 29. So please all of you open your maths textbook page number 29. Exercise 3, page number 29. Look carefully at these two pictures. Can you spot 10 differences in the bottom one? See, we can see two pictures, top one picture and bottom one picture. In this top, look at the first picture, there are many things: moon, bag, floor mat, dog, shuttle bat, cock, teddy bear, frame, brush, two books, ball. Many things are there in first picture, but in the second picture some things are missing. Now we have to find out that picture and we have to spot that. We have to write the numbers. How many things are missing? Here mentioned that 10 difference in the bottom one. We can find 10 pictures are missing in the second picture. Shall we find that what the things are missing in the second picture? Yes. See here. Look at the moon. Moon is visible in the first picture, but can you see the moon in the second picture? No. So next, bag. Can you see the bag in the second picture? No. Likewise, many things are missing. So we have to count, we have to find and count the missing things. First one, can you see the yellow color bag in the first picture? Yes. So in the second picture, same place, you have to write number 1. Next one, near to the door. What is that? Floor mat. Can you see the floor mat in the second picture? No. So there you have to write the number 2. Next, look at the table. Teddy bear. Teddy bear is there on that table, no? Upon that teddy bear, what is that? What is that? Frame. Can you see the frame in the second picture? No. So there you write down number 3. Next, coming to the floor, near to the dog, what can you see there? Cock and shuttle. It is visible in the first picture, but in the second picture, can you see the two things? No. So near to the dog, cock, in the place of cock, you have to write number 4. Next to the 4, what is that? Shuttle bat. It is visible in the first picture, but it is not visible in the second picture. So near to the 4, you have to write the number 5. Now we have completed 5, number 5. Now next one, look at the table. Upon the table we can see 3 things: 1 pen, 1 green color book and 1 violet color book. Can you see that in second picture? No. So, upon the table, in the place of pen, you have to write number 6. Next to the 6, in the place of green book, in the second picture, you have to write the number 7. Next, after that green book, we can see one more book. There, you have to write number 8. Next, again behind the table, what can you see in the first picture? Yes, orange color ball. It is visible in the first picture. We can see the ball in the first picture, but in the second picture, can you see the ball? No. So, in the place of that ball, you have to write the number 9 in the second picture. Now, coming to the window part, we can see window curtains and star. After that, we can see moon, but in the second picture, the moon is not visible. So, that is the 10th one. These 10 things are visible in the first picture, but in the second picture, they are not visible. We have identified the missing things in the second picture. So, look at the board and write down the numbers in the missing things in your textbook, page number 29. So, how many things are missing? 1. First one is, what is the first one? Bag. Now, second one, coming to the door part, down floor mat is missing. That is the second one. Next, third one is frame. Upon the teddy bear, we can see the frame in the first picture, but it is not visible in the second picture. Third one is frame. Now, fourth one is cock. Fifth one is shuttle bat. Sixth one is pen. Seventh one is green book. Eighth one is violet color book. Ninth one is ball. And 10th one is moon. These are the 10 missing things in the second picture. So, write down that numbers. That's all for today. Thank you.